I'm going to be showing you PureBoost product. It's a mix to make drinks, and I want to thank PureBoost for sending me this sample so that I could make a shoppable video to show you how it works. This is the box that PureBoost Clean Energy mixed drink comes in. It has 30 packages of 3 different flavors. It has the Acacia Alert, it has Citrus Sunrise, and it has Berry Boost. I like Berry Boost the best, but you may have a different preference. It's sugar-free, it is gluten-free, it's non-GMO, it's vegan, keto, and paleo. So you can use it with a lot of different diets, and you won't crash because its caffeine is from natural green tea, so there's no crash. There's 10 of each flavor, so that's a total of 30 packets, so you get quite a lot. It's clean energy mix, and you just add ice cold water and it makes a really good drink. Add 1 packet to 16 to 20 ounces of ice cold water. Mix it up and enjoy it. If you're filling up a glass, if it's a 16-ounce glass, leave a little room at the top for the fizz. This one still has some fizz on it. This is the citrus flavor, Citrus Sunrise it's called, and it had more fizz when I first stirred it up, but it lasts a little while. And then this one is the Berry Boost. It tastes like berries. This is the Acacia one, and it looks more like tea, but it's a berry taste also. And of course the citrus is the citrus taste. I found that adding a whole packet to just 16 ounces of water made it a little strong for me. So I add more water. Instead of 2 cups, which is 16 ounces, I'm making it with 3 cups. This is 3 cups. It's really a good pick-me-up energy booster, and the caffeine comes from green tea, so it's natural and jitter-free. It has B vitamins to support energy and metabolism, and it has electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. It's refreshingly sweet, but it has no sugar and no sucralose. It gives you a charge of mental and physical energy, and you can drink up to 3 packs a day. You just adjust it to your taste, and I highly recommend it.